Hi there, welcome back, and today we will continue with our next topic, which is subtopic 3, the Oikocredit tool. First, let's begin with the purpose. The purpose of this tool is to basically facilitate decisions made regarding the number of clients from your organization who will be surveyed. Remember, you have to consider that you have a sufficient sample size from your clients. This will bring confidence that the answers or the responses from those surveyed can be then later generalized to your overall client base. The tool is designed to calculate a representative sample based on these three assumptions. Rely on two factors, which is a confidence interval and a margin of error. The three different scenarios that we have begin from a high level of certainty to a lower level of certainty, and it's categorized in three letters: A, B, and C. Now, so let's try to put this into practice with a little example that we have here, how to use it. First, begin with the first step. In the first step, you type in the number of branches from your organization. In this case, let's say we have 4. In the next step, the tool automatically represents the number of branches into letters. So we have 4 branches, we have 4 letters, A, B, C, and D. And in the second step, what you have to do is input the number of respondents from your organization or users from your organization. In the first branch, we have a number that is 1,234 users. In branch B, we'll have 2,345 users, and in branch C, we'll have 3,456 users. And then in the D, let's put a higher number, which is 10,000 users, which then this brings a total of 17,035 users in total. That's verified in step number 3. And here you have to verify if the information is correct or incorrect. And if it's incorrect, then you go back to step 2, you put in the information accordingly, and then you verify it. Continuing with step 3, we move on to the part on the right side. And here you're going to be able to observe the 3 scenarios that we mentioned before, right? So in scenario A, we have a total of 1,339 samples that are gathered according to the tool. And here we have a confidence interval of 95%, and we have a margin of error of 5%. In the second scenario, we have a sample size of 728 users based on the population, right? And we have a constant confidence interval of 90%, but a margin of error of 7%. And then moving on to scenario C, we have a sample of 265 with a confidence interval of 90%, but an even higher margin of error of 10%. This is how the tool can help you calculate an adequate sample size based on the elements that we have covered through the entire module. Here is the video for the Oikocredit tool. We will see you in the following video for the practical cases.